Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm recording this because this is probably one of my last Ipsy boxes and I'm just getting it done. I feel like there's like a filter. Okay, so there's a blue light on in my room. I have a blue light. So there is like a blue situation. Okay, let's see. This is my BoxyCharm for, it's Ipsy, but you know, it's BoxyCharm now. This is for March. So I skipped a few months and then yeah. So okay, let's get into it. First thing is the Avant Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. Ooh, yes. Yes. Because these dark circles not going to go away on their own. Okay, some of this is mascara bleed over because I did wear mascara today, but not all of it. Because I also wore concealer. Ooh, nice. Oh, I can't wait to try these. And I need them right now, actually. Okay, I'm saving this one because let's just open it. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Ooh, okay, this is the collagen box. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. Nice packaging. Sealed at the top with a little flip top. It was upside down, so it's going to be super rich and creamy. Nice. Day cream. Okay, very nice. It is technically winter since it's, well, maybe it's getting into spring. We just had daylight savings time, so we'll see. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. No, I love mascara. Started wearing it again, so you know. Super excited. All right, this is Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. La Monster Lip Crayon in Currant Matte. You can't really see the name. There you go. Is it up? Did I do it upside down? I did. Sorry. Okay. She has a really pretty red lip that she wears sometimes. I'm in my room on my bed because it is late. It's really not that late, but I don't feel like going through all the trouble of setting this up for super, you know. Did I click the wrong side? I did. I see the perforation right here. Okay. I'm sorry for the face I made. It's not like I don't like Lady Gaga, just I'm not a super fan. Like, interesting packaging. Oh, but it looks like a pen. Oh, cute. Cute. We're going to save that. I like the packaging. I do. That's different. Looks like a pen. That's cute. Okay. I'm gonna think positive about that. Everybody can't do certain reds. This kind of looks a little orangey, but hopefully it will work out well. And last but not least, Girlactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Ooh, I love a face scrub. I love a face scrub. Cute. Pink. It's so pink and flowery. Aww. Is it sealed? Let's see. Nope. Smells good. Smells like fruit. A sugar face scrub. Ooh, I'm excited. I still have one from Herbivore or Truly or somebody that I've been using. It works great. I love it. And I probably will buy it again because it's got enough grit to really make you feel like you're exfoliating, but not so much that you hurt your face, you know. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to trying this stuff. I have not unpacked my last box. I'm not gonna lie. Full transparency. I just haven't been feeling it. But now I'm a little bit more motivated. Got some things taken care of. Got some boxes checked off my to-do list. So yeah, feeling pretty good. Okay. So yeah, I'm digging this box. I'm digging everything in this box. You know what, Lady Gaga? I even like this packaging. I like the uniqueness of it. It's like a pen. Just throw it in your purse. Cute. Very cute. And yeah, I have a couple of other mascaras I need to work through first. So, and I don't like to have too many open at one time because they do dry out and I don't want to do that. So then it doesn't give it a fair test. So, yeah, I've got the Rihanna to use. Got I think another one over there I bought. So, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have not tried Ipsy or BoxyCharm, this recently or ever, go ahead and try it. This is not a sponsored video. I get it because I like it. And I do have really cool things. Like cool stuff comes in the boxes and stuff I want to try and stuff I need to use and stuff I'm interested in. So I might have to keep it. I don't know. I'm debating. So we'll see. I am going to get the next icon box, I hope. I think I missed the one with Pat McGrath, which that really sucks because I'm sure that was a bomb box. But yeah, I'll have to look and see when the next one is. So I might have to keep it active for a couple months to get my last icon box, and then I'll cancel it because I just have so much stuff. I still have moisturizers and stuff that I have not touched yet. I'm currently working with the Alicia Keys skincare collection because we've got the serum, I've got the wash, and the moisturizer, which I'm not a super fan of the moisturizer, but it has SPF, so that's good. But the beaded wash thing, love. I will probably buy that again because my face feels so clean. Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. I'm going to bed. Thank you again. Repeating myself. Thank you for watching. Try this. It looks really creamy and moisturizing, and I'm excited about it. I'm super excited about these. How many come in here? Is it 3-pack? 3 pairs. 4 grams each. Okay. Very nice. Eye restoring pads. Ooh, yes. Excited. Take care. Enjoy your life. And bring brightness and love to someone else's. Peace.